And now I'm supposed to get my start on the bank. Supposed to use the card.
Okay, so Mr. Pungula brought your card. Brought your card.
Yeah.
Oh, he gave you a card already?
No.
Okay.
I have my card. I gave him account number.
Oh, you already had an account number?
Yeah, I gave him the account number.
Okay. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go now. Good. So what was that plant again?
This?
Yeah.
Green stem.
Green stem or?
Adenia gummifera.
Adenia gummifera.
Yeah. In scientific name.
Okay.
In Zulu, Umpinda Umushaya.
Umpinda Umushaya.
Umpinda Umushaya.
Umpinda Umushaya.
No, not Umpinda Umushaya. Umpinda Umushaya.
Umpinda Umushaya.
Yes.
Okay. Umpinda Umushaya.
Yeah.
Why does it have something to do with Shire to beat?
It's for a traditional.
They use it to beat cows or to beat patients. They use it to beat sick people.
Yeah.
Umpinda Umushaya.
Yeah.
Because Shire is too.
And others they use on the girl. If they love the girl, they use it.
If they love a girl, they use this to beat her if she's naughty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If that girl they not love that man,
Yeah.
they use to help him to get that female.
How do they do that?
They use this chemical.
To beat her?
Yeah.
It's a chemical.
No, it's not a chemical, but it's a thing. It's a plant. You see this pet, they eat the pale charaxes.
What is that? Go and show me.
Down.
The spell charaxes.
They eat the butterfly, the pale charaxes.
Oh, the bird is eating. Yeah, the bird was eating the pale charaxes.
Yeah.
Oh, it's fled with a butterfly in its mouth and in its beak.
But if they eat the African monarch, they die.
Oh. It's gone.
Yeah.
Where?
Outside.
How did it fly out?